famous hospital over here in the UK continues to get its reputation thrown through the mud. What am I talking about? I'm talking about a hospital over here in South Wales. A recent story came out where a hospital worker has been suspended and is now facing 8 total charges and is due to face trial in May. And these charges are not little. They're not little charges whatsoever. These are quite sickening, disturbing, really vile and dehumanizing charges. But with that being said, I'm going to get on with today's episode. Feel free to give me your thoughts, your opinions and whatnot. And with that being said, enjoy the episode. A hospital worker has been charged with a conspiracy to murder a child. Tracy Turner, an operating theatre assistant at Cardiff University Hospital, Wales, is also accused of conspiring to kidnap and rape the same alleged victim. Turner, 51, of Nyan Road in Roath, is facing a total of 8 charges: conspiring to rape a girl aged under 13, to sexually assault her by presentation, to sexually assault her by touching, to kidnap her, and to murder her, as well as 2 counts of making indecent images of a child, and 1 of perverting the course of justice, and she has pleaded not guilty to all of these charges so far. I mean, I don't know what to say to that. I mean, these are the people who we put our lives in their hands, so to speak. We trust these people with all we got to make us feel better, or to make our loved ones feel better, and it makes people wonder what the fuck is actually going on at that hospital. Because there's all sorts of stories coming out recently about this place. So far, the NHS worker is suspended from her role while the case is ongoing. She is charged jointly with a 45-year-old man, Stuart Compton, of Daniel Street in Gateys. He has pleaded not guilty to the same conspiracy charges. The both of them appeared at Cardiff Crown Court in January and are due to stand trial in May. Oh, that should be interesting. Put it this way, regardless of whether or not they are found guilty, and if they are found guilty, it probably won't matter anyway, because the legal system over here can be really fucked at times. So they'll probably get like a slap on the wrist, for the most part anyway. Wait, their careers and their lives are fucked forever, in my opinion. There's no way you could come back from this. We're not talking 1 or 2 charges. You're facing, at least this woman is anyway, 8 total charges. 8, not 1 or 2, 8. I mean, you know, I can't say what's going on at the hospital because I don't work there, but 8 total charges, that says a lot in my opinion, and that says something's not quite right when it comes to this place. The charge of perverting the course of justice alleges that Turner hid a mobile phone on the 25th of June last year, following an arrest of a partner. Hid a mobile phone from the police last year in connection to her partner. She is alleged to have made indecent images in category B and C, the second and first most serious type of illegal images of children. A spokeswoman for Cardiff and Vale University Health Board told Wales Online the Health Board suspended the individual once we were made aware of the allegations against them. This is a sensitive issue, and the Health Board has been cooperating with partners in South Wales Police. We are unable to comment further while proceedings are ongoing. So not only does the hospital's reputation continue to go in the mud, because many people throughout South Wales have had many polarising opinions when it comes to Heath Hospital over here in Cardiff. I myself have had nothing really bad to say about them. I've had treatment there many times, but people will have their own opinions to make about Heath Hospital, which is completely fair. Everyone has their own experiences, and everyone has their own. It doesn't surprise me, especially when it comes to stories like this, when the NHS and Heath Hospital's reputation continues to go sliding down into the mud. I mean, it wasn't so long ago, back during the pandemic, where people were on the front doorsteps clapping for the NHS like at 8 o'clock at night, wherever it may be. You know, to continue to support the NHS during the COVID pandemic, which is fine. You know, I respect that, because not everyone who works in the NHS is a piece of shit. And in some ways, we are lucky enough to have the NHS for a lot of reasons. Some people might disagree with that, which is completely fine, each to their own opinion. But now when you see stories like this, it makes you question a lot of different things about the NHS and the ongoings who come see both the NHS and certain hospitals around the country. You know, we hear stories. I personally hope that Tracy Turner and Stuart Compton both never see the light of day again, and they get what's coming to them adrift. Because people like that, they won't do well in prison, put it that way. Especially over here. There's no tolerance for that shit. But that's the story here today, guys. Thank you very much for tuning in. Please feel free to share your thoughts down below, what you think of the story, if you're from the UK, what you think about the NHS, and so on and so forth. But until next time, take care, stay safe, I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye for now.